your letter.
Yes. Have you ever seen that word? Do you know what it is? Yeah, it's actually I'm. When it has an apostrophe, it's I'm.
I'm very
Yeah.
happy
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
are
No. Look again. No.
And
And
what's the next one?
you
Sam.
and
Sam. What's that?
Which one? You can do it. What's the first letter? Sam. With.
Will.
Yep.
Sam will. Dad.
B.
That.
No, it's B. B-E. B.
B. Sam will be 4.
No. I'm very happy that you and Sam will be. He. The E is silent. The second E is silent.
Here.
Yep.
In.
Yep. Yep.
What's that?
You. That's a weird word. Few.
You. What's that?
You can sound it out.
The.
You're close.
Daddies.
No, a few days. Yeah. And that's the end of the sentence. That dot is a period. It's the end of a sentence. Now it's a new sentence.
We.
Yeah. Yep, you had it before. Same as this one.
Will.
Yeah.
Can you read the last sentence?
I'll help you.
No, you read the last
Okay.
sentence.
Okay. We will have what's that word?
Good.
Yep. Time! Exclamation point.
Time
What's this one? Little word.
is it. Now can you read the whole?
What's this word? Is it snowing there? Not here. You can read this part. You know this one.
I
Uh-huh.
love
Uh-huh.
you.
Yeah? What's the last word?
Grandma.
Grand. No. Grand.
You read it.
No, Bessie. What does this say? Grand. What's that word?
Daddy.
Yes! You did it, Bess!
Granddaddy.
Yes.
Granddaddy. Granddaddy. Granddaddy.
Yep. You did it.